Ever wondered how 2.5 million pieces, best-selling 16 ounces skinny plastic cups, are produced every year for USA brands? Let's take you behind the scenes at Topnovo Factory to see how it's done. Let's go! It all starts with the injection process. Watch as the outer shell and inner shell are molded to perfection. At Topnovo Factory, we have 10 fully automated injection machines running non-stop every day to meet high demand. Don't forget the lids. Each cycle produces 2 lids at once, ensuring efficiency and precision. Once the injection process is complete, it's time for welding. And voila! The final product is ready, a sleek, durable 16 ounces plastic cup. This is how Topnovo Factory delivers top-quality plastic cups to brands across the world. Contact us today to learn more about our products or to collaborate.